Good morning children. Welcome to the second session of Next English Prime book. Lesson number 1, Raghu's Adventures. In the previous session we have studied scene 1 and scene 2. In this session we will see what happens further. Now I will read scene 3. Outside a hut, an old woman is squatting next to a stove, coughing. A cow is tied to a post nearby. Raghu thinks of stopping by. Old woman: "Oh, these useless cow dung patties. They always burn my eyes. How do I get hold of some firewood? I am old and haggard. Where is Paplu? Paplu, where are you? Raghu: Where is Paplu, grandma? Is he at home? Old woman: Oh, Raghu, I do not know. I have been looking for him since morning. I have been trying to light the stove, but these cow dung patties are no good. They give off smoke and all I do is cough non-stop. I can't get hold of any firewood either. Coughs and her hand strikes a vessel and it overturns. Raghu: Here, grandma. You can have this piece of wood. I will also get you some dry leaves. Do you want me to help you start the fire? Old woman: No, no, my little boy, stay away from fire. It is dangerous, but thank you for this piece of wood. Raghu smiles and starts to walk away. Old woman: Wait, my dear boy, sit by the door. I shall make some delicious rotis for you. Now I will explain the scene. Children, an old woman is squatting next to a stove outside a hut. The meaning of the word squatting is sitting with bent knees. A cow is tied to a post nearby. Raghu sees the old woman and thinks of stopping by. The old woman is murmuring to herself, means talking to herself, that those cow dung patties are useless. They always burn her eyes. How will she get some firewood? She further says that she is old and haggard. The meaning of the word haggard is tired, means the woman is old and tired. Raghu inquires about Paplu with grandma, whether is he at home. The old woman says she doesn't know. She has been looking for him since morning. She has been trying to light the stove, but the cow dung patties are not good. They give off smoke and all she does is cough non-stop. She can't get hold of any firewood. While coughing, her hand strikes a vessel and it turns over. After seeing grandma cough, Raghu offers her the piece of wood. Also, he says he will get her some dry leaves. He asks her if she wants him to help her start the fire. The old woman replies that she doesn't need help and also asks him to stay away from fire as it is dangerous, and thanks him for that piece of wood. After giving the piece of wood to grandma, Raghu starts to walk away. The old woman calls him and asks him to wait and tells him to sit by the door. She is going to make some delicious rotis for him. Now I will read scene 4. A bus stand. A woman is holding a wailing child in her arms. Behind her is a huge stock of pots neatly arranged. Raghu enters, carrying a packet. Woman: Do not cry, my baby. Ma will soon find something for you. Do not cry, my baby. Raghu, why is he crying? Woman, he is hungry. Our larder has been empty for 2 days now. Raghu, here, little one, take this roti. It is warm and fresh. The child immediately stops wailing and wolfs down the delicious roti. Raghu also plays with the child for some time. Woman, how on earth can I pay you for your kindness? Yes, here. Take this pot. Please accept this as a token of our gratitude. Off goes Raghu searching for Paplu. Now I will explain the scene. Scene 4 takes place at the bus stop. A woman is holding a wailing child in her arms. There is a huge stack of pots neatly arranged behind her. Raghu enters carrying a packet. As the child is crying bitterly, the woman is trying to calm it down. She tells the baby that soon she will find something for her and tries again to stop the baby from crying. Seeing the crying baby, Raghu asks the woman why is she crying. The woman replies that the baby is hungry. She further says that their larder has been empty since 2 days. The meaning of the word larder is a storeroom. The kind Raghu offers the packet to the woman which has a roti and says it is warm and fresh. After seeing the roti, the child immediately stops wailing and wolfs down the delicious roti. The meaning of the idiom wolfs down is to swallow something hungrily. After seeing the smiling baby, Raghu plays with the child for some time. After seeing her baby smile, the woman says to Raghu, how on earth can she pay for his kindness? The meaning of the phrase, how on earth, is an exclamation used to show surprise or shock. The meaning of the word gratitude is a feeling of being thankful to someone. Raghu accepts the gift and moves forward in search of Paplu. In the next session, we will study what happens further. Thank you.